Are you ready to kickstart your self-publishing journey in just 31 days? Whether you're new to KDP or you have been thinking about starting but feeling overwhelmed, I've got the perfect challenge for you. This is a 31-day step-by-step plan, and it's designed to get your book published on Amazon KDP. And I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive into what this challenge is all about, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of week 1. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a self-published author but felt stuck, maybe you don't have enough time, or you're not sure where to start, or you feel like you have a lack of skills, this challenge is exactly what you need. And here's what makes this challenge different. It's beginner friendly. You don't need to be a designer, a writer, or an expert in anything. Now, we are starting this challenge in January 2025, but if you are joining us later, do not fear. I've created this as a playlist. You can pick up and drop off wherever you need. And it is designed to be in bite-sized pieces. So you'll get a 15-minute action step to keep you moving forward every single day, but you're not going to feel overwhelmed by that. This is designed for you to get one book published, but if you want to double down and create additional books and repeat these steps multiple times, that is absolutely fine. And then by the end of the month, you may have several books to get published if you've got that spare time. Now, this is a proven system. I've been using the exact same system to create my low content and medium content books, and now I am bringing it to you. Imagine holding your very own book in your hands in just a few weeks from now, or seeing it live on Amazon ready for customers to buy. And here's the best part. By the end of this challenge, you're not only going to have a published book, but you're also going to understand the process, so you can do it again and again. And these videos are going to be there for you. So if you need to dive back in at any point, do not forget to bookmark this playlist. How exactly does it work? Each week of the challenge focuses on a specific phase of the publishing process. So week 1, we're going to be laying the foundation. We're going to find your niche, define your audience, and create a plan. Week 2, we're going to be designing the book. We're going to tackle the interior and the cover creation. And week 3, we are going to upload and optimize. So getting your book ready for Amazon. And then comes week 4, marketing and growing, because publishing is just the beginning, but we actually want to see those sales come rolling in. Now, this isn't about perfection, it's about progress, and I'm going to be here cheering you on the whole way. You're going to be seeing community posts, shorts. If you want to follow over on Instagram, there's going to be daily emails, so make sure you sign up to the email list down in the description. So let's talk about week 1. The foundation. By the end of this week, you will have a clear idea of what book you're creating, who it's for, and also how to get started. Here's a breakdown of the daily steps. So, day 1, we are going to define our audience. We're starting with the most important question. Knowing your audience makes every decision easier. Take 15 minutes to brainstorm their needs, challenges, and interests. For example, if you're creating a planner for busy parents, think about what would help them stay organized. Day 2, we're going to spend researching our niche. So we're going to jump over onto Amazon and search for books similar to your idea. What's already out there? What's missing? Look for reviews and know what readers love or wish was better. And this helps ensure that your book fills a gap in the market. Day 3, we are going to be brainstorming book ideas. So I want you to be setting a 15-minute timer every single day and just let your creativity flow. Write down every single book idea that comes to mind, from journals to planners to colouring books. Do not censor yourself, and the more ideas, the better. And do not discount any idea, however bizarre it might seem. Day 4, we are going to be refining our idea. We're going to look back at yesterday's list and choose the idea that excites us the most. Ask yourself, Does this idea solve a problem? Can I realistically create it in a few weeks? Passion and practicality are key. Day 5, here comes an interesting one. We are going to be doing our competitor analysis. Deep dive into your chosen niche. Check out your competitors and read their reviews. Look for opportunities to improve or add unique features to your book. Now, day 6 may or may not be relevant to you. It depends whether or not you've got your KDP account set up. But if not, day 6 is the day that we have set aside to set up the account. It only takes a few minutes. And then finally, day 7, we're going to outline our book. We're going to create a basic outline. Think of it as your book's blueprint. Decide on the sections, the prompts, or the layouts that you want. This is a roadmap that will make the rest of the process so much easier. Now, let me know down in the comments, who is it that's your audience? I would love to hear. Or if you found an interesting gap in the market during your niche research, let us know. And also, I would love to hear if you had a completely off-the-wall, bizarre idea that you came up with during brainstorming. Now, if you're stuck setting up your KDP account or you're not quite sure where to go, check out the playlist that is down in the comments. I'm also going to pin it up on the end screen as well, so you can just dive straight in there. But post your questions and I'll be checking out the comments every single day, and I would absolutely love to see what you are working on. So by the end of this week, you're going to have a solid foundation for your book. You're going to know your audience, you're going to know your niche and your book structure. It is a huge step forward, and I am so proud of you for starting this journey. If you haven't joined up for the challenge yet, what are you waiting for? Sign up to my email list down in the description and in the pinned comments, and let's get started. See you in the challenge. Bye.